we want to sort not only the numbers, but also all the 3D surfaces. So we go to Sets, List, and there you find the sort component. Drag and drop. I'm going to place it over here, right there. And if we look at the numbers, now they are in order, right? Even if you move this one up here, they appear in order. But this component allows me not only to sort this list of numbers, but the objects that are related to it. So if I connect this list over here, the output on A will be all these surfaces in order. And not only that, I could add one more plus and sort the centroids. So I do not have to calculate them one more time. So this is the code that we have so far. Select, find the area, get the centroid, deconstruct, sort those numbers, sort all the surfaces, and at the same time, sort the centroids. So we are here and wait for the next part.